Got this new product here. It's a traffic advisor light bar, and it has very easy installation. Just put a couple screws in here on the side, throw some suction cups on it that it came with. Suction cups are really nice because they've got these little ends right here. That way when you want to take it off of your glass, it's really easy to come off. Just pulls it off right like that. But it will stay on for a long time. It's got this digital display controller right here. It's got a sticker on the back so you can stick it anywhere on your dash that you want. And let's see how it works here. Just got to plug it in. All you do is take the adapter here, plug it in, hit the power button, and it's on. Now I just hit power. This is number 4. There's 26 different patterns. All you do is you hit pattern here and it switches. There's pattern 10, 11. Now, if you want to save a pattern that you like and you want to always come back to it, what you do is you hit custom and hold it down. Then that custom light will blink. And now, okay, I'm switching patterns. I'm on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You know what? I like that 11. I want to go back to that. All you do is hit custom and it goes back to that one that you saved. It's got 3 other little options here. All they are is this one just goes from left to right. This one goes from right to left. And then this one here goes from the middle to the outside. Now let me show you how to install it to the windshield. All right, installing this to the windshield is very easy. Just got to take the suction cups here, stick them on, boom, boom. Side's done. Get this side, stick them on, real nice and sturdy. There it is on the front. Now all you got to do, you put this wherever you want it, but now I want to keep it here so you can see it up close. Power button, there it is. That's pattern 28, 16, 17, 18, so many different patterns. I'll come back and show you what they look like at dusk. All right, I'm out here at dusk now with my traffic advisor light bar, sitting in the truck. Got this little control panel here. The cord is really long and it's going out my window all the way to the front of the truck. Hit power, and there's your light bar. Change the pattern, 26 different options. Very versatile, very easy to use.